fractions with two binomials are the denominators. Examples. Solve the equation. Solution. Two divided by a plus 8 equals to 1 divided by a plus 1. Now, this is a fraction. This is an algebraic fraction. This is another algebraic fraction. Now, looking at the left-hand side, the denominator of this algebraic fraction is a binomial expression. Looking at the right-hand side also, the denominator of this algebraic fraction is also a binomial expression. Now, from what we have, for us to solve this problem, we are going to cross multiply. So by cross multiplying, what do we have? We have 2 into a plus 1 equals to 1 into a plus 8. So the next thing for us to do is to expand the brackets. By expanding the bracket, what do we have? 2 times a, we have 2a. Then 2 times 1, we have 2. 1 times a, we have a, plus 1 times 8. What do we have? We have 8. So the next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. Collecting the like terms, what are we going to have? 2a, we come and meet, a we meet 2a at the left. So we move a to the left, it will become what? Minus a. Then we need to move plus 2 to the right to turn to minus 2. So we have 8 minus 2. Now, 2a minus a, we know that a is the same thing as 1a. So 2a minus a is just like 2a minus 1a, and that is a, which is 1a. So a equals to 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. So the solution to this equation is a equals to 6. Thank you.